If you want to start working out but you don't know where to begin, this video is for you. I'll show you how to take the first step so training becomes a part of your life, not just something temporary. The hardest part isn't the exercises, it's building the habit. And that's exactly what we are gonna talking about right now. Find a real reason why you start and what is your goal. What motivates you? Do before photo measurements. So now that you have set your goal and picked out your workout routine, now you need to fit it into your life. Because if you don't, it's only a matter of time before you fall off. And let's be real, most people don't struggle with the motivation, they struggle with the structure. How many times have you told yourself, I'll go to the gym later, and then later comes, and suddenly you're too tired, something comes up, or you just don't feel like it anymore? That's why I always say, treat your workouts like an important meeting. You wouldn't just randomly fit in a work meeting or doctor appointment. So schedule it and start showing up. Your workouts deserve the same level of priority. And I know some of you might be thinking, I don't have a time, I'm too busy, and I'll go when I have more energy. But here's the truth, you don't find time, you make time. Like I said before, schedule it like an appointment. Literally, block of time in your calendar and treat it as a non-negotiable. Also, find the best workout time. If you're not a morning person, don't force yourself to train at 5 a.m. If your evenings are packed, hit the gym earlier in the day. Set a realistic commitment. If you can only go 2 days a week, that's totally fine. Just be consistent with those two. And also, have a plan before you get into the gym. Nothing wastes time more than walking and not knowing what you're doing. Important reminder, when you finish work and you're ready for your workout, don't get stuck scrolling on your phone. Put away all distractions, close your laptop, and shift your focus. Drink a glass of water, change into your workout gear, and just like that, your mood will lift and you'll be ready to crush your training. Find a convenient gym or the place when you'll be doing your workouts. If you go to the gym but don't eat enough, it's kind of self-defeating because you won't really be able to build as much muscle as the time you're putting in deserves. So make sure you're eating enough, don't be afraid of food, and remember that fueling your body properly is the key to having energy, building strength, and actually seeing the results you're working for. In the next video, I'll talk about what you need to eat and which foods to choose in order to stay healthy, energetic, and feel in shape every single day. Subscribe so you don't miss it.